Hi, this is Jason from the Dental Equipment Repair Channel. Today I want to give you a little Friday tip that is sure to brighten your afternoon. Now, I know a lot of us have been doing these Solmetics NXT upgrades where we change the system from a HG5 to an NXT. And the way the system is configured is we're going to remove the brackets from the old plate and we're going to put on new brackets. And one of the things that I've been thinking about is that we're left with these brackets, and I sometimes can't bring myself to throw them away, and I end up with a few of them laying around just because I hang on to things like this. And it occurred to me, I thought about it, what would be a really interesting way to reuse this bracket in a way that would be useful? And it came to me. So today we're going to cover how to make a bottle opener out of an old Solmetics HG5 bracket that comes out of an upgrade kit. Now, when you upgrade an HG5, you come up with the two brackets that are the top bracket and the bottom bracket. Now, the top bracket, we're not really concerned about that one, so we can go ahead and get rid of that one. It's this bottom bracket that I'm really interested in. It's got a really unique shape, and I think this gives us a lot of opportunity to kind of do something with it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to use a vise for this project. Now, what we're going to do is we're just simply going to break a part of it off, we're going to bend a part of it, and that's going to be the project. So this is really a simple job. So the part we're going to break off is with this little tab. We're going to break it at this first joint. So we're going to bend it right on this first axis where this little pin is. Now I'm just going to use a crescent wrench, and all I'm going to do is engage it like so, and I'm just going to bend right here, right where it's that pin is, and I'm just going to carefully bend it back and forth until that piece snaps off. Like right here, it's starting to go. Okay, just like that. Okay, not super complicated. All we're going to do is just bend it off, break it off, and then this piece, boom, it's going to go in the trash can. Now what we're left with is this little bit of a jagged edge. So we're just going to take our file and we'll kind of recenter that there. And let's take our file. We're just going to file off any of those sharp edges. All right, nice and... All right, so now it's nice and safe. We're not going to cut ourselves on that, which is what we want. Now we're going to take it and we're going to bend. We're going to flip this around, and we're going to take that lower part and we're going to flip it like so. And we're going to clamp it about halfway up. Now this is going to become the working part of our opener. So we're just going to clamp it, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take a ball peen hammer and we're just going to hit it until this edge makes contact. And by doing that, we're just going to create a little bit of a lip to catch the bottle cap. So we'll just tap it until it... All right, and now what we're going to be left with is a bend, and that bend isn't quite extreme enough. Now the thing I can see is that there's a little bit of strain in here, so I'm going to try to just carefully induce a little bit of a bend right here in this area. So we'll try to, how are we going to do that? So I'm going to bend it just a little bit like that. And so now when this is mounted, it's going to be mounted in a way where when you go to put the bottle in it and you tilt it, it's going to catch that lip, and that'll open the bottle for you. All right, and now with your favorite pandemic beverage of your choice, you simply insert the bottle and open away. Here's to you. Thanks for watching the Dental Equipment Repair Channel.